Hello guys, today we are at the market and we are gonna check how much money we can make in a day. Let's find out. Hello guys, it's Zatorsky here again, and I'm sure you are very excited to hear the news, how much money we actually got from that day. So, are you excited? Because I'm super excited. Let's count the money and we'll tell you how much money we got. So, from our calculations, we got 526 zlotys. However, 526 minus 60 zlotys, which was the market fee, 466. So selling stuff on the market was actually not that bad. People were coming in. We couldn't advise other people because there were so many of them, and there were only 3 of us actually selling stuff. But at times there were literally no people and we had nothing to do. Alright guys, so summing up, the day was really great. I must say it was a pretty hard job. It certainly wasn't easy. It was rather hard. Sun wasn't helping. What can I say more? I wouldn't recommend this job to anybody. It is really hard to do. It is frustrating where the customers were not coming to the stand. But if you have some stuff to sell, you can obviously go to the market and make some money. In the long run, you get to know the value of the money. When you do work like that, the value of the money actually increases. So if you want to pay for something, you will know that you are actually paying with your time rather than with some sort of virtual money. Anyways, it was a really great day, I must say. We earned quite a bit of money. With all the clothes that were left, we gave it to charity. But anyways, if you have any questions guys, or suggestions, or maybe other recommendations, give them in the comments down below. As always, stay awesome, subscribe, and hit that like button if you think that selling stuff on the market that you don't need is actually worth it. Till next time, stay awesome, and I'll see you later.